how to solve Play Store issue on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. If you want to fix Play Store app problem, go back and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After click on additional settings, you will see first option is date and time. Click on date and time. After click on date and time, you will see set time automatically is here. If you want to fix Play Store problem, so turn on set automatically time. After turn on set time automatically, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can solve Play Store issue on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.